We introduced a world of werewolves, which is also the world of some amazing CGI stuff.
Kenneth Waters, you're under arrest for the murder of Katarina Brown.
Are you out of your mind?
We find the defendant guilty, Your Honor.
We'll get you out, Kenny! You hear me?
When her brother was convicted of murder,
I can't spend the rest of my life in here.
Betty Ann Waters began an impossible 18-year struggle to set him free.
I'm gonna stop by trying to get a BA after I finally take the stupid GED test. And after that, I'll apply to law school. But you just have to promise me that you'll never give up.
I don't really have time for a friend right now.
We're gonna be friends, because we're the only ones in class who've been through puberty.
My brother Kenny, he's been in prison for 12 years, life without parole. Wow. I'm gonna find a way to get him out.
Mom? Oh, my baby sister passed the boss! I understand, but you have to sit down. So proud of you. This woman actually went to law school to save her brother.
He's our only client.
How long will it take you to make yourself look like a lawyer?
You're talking about evidence that's 16 years old.
You know that caught Nancy Taylor had it out for Kenny. They lied, saying that all this evidence.
You put an innocent man in prison.
I am sorry you have wasted your life on this.
You gotta move on. It's over, honey. I'm never getting out of here.
You're innocent.
You sure about that?
There is one thing we haven't tried yet.
If we can DNA test the murderer's blood, it'll prove Kenny's innocent.
Not doing it.
That's what we've been waiting for.
It's gonna test positive. I'll find a way. I don't trust them.
You do it, or I'll kill you. That's your sister and your lawyer talking.
This fall,
DAs don't like to admit they put an innocent person in prison.
I did not come this far after all this time.
experience the extraordinary journey
Our force is greater than you, and you may not win.
of how far we go
It's time for you to start living your life.
This is my life.
to fight for our family.
You guys would do this for each other, right?
If Ben tried to go to law school for me, I'd die an old man in prison.
You do it for me?
I would.
I love you, Kenny.
Love you. Love you.
Conviction.
Don't make any sudden moves. Don't talk about satellites.
Seriously?
Why are you trying to kill me?
Why would I be trying to kill you?
Because the last time we met, I tried to kill you.
That was a long time ago.
Some people hold on to things like that.
They used to be the CIA's top agents.
Victoria, best wet work asset in the business.
What's that?
I kill people, dear.
But the secrets they know
This is off the books. Total blackout.
just made them the agency's top targets.
Tell me everything you know.
Some thumbsucker tagged him red.
Red?
Retired, extremely dangerous. Yeah, they don't make them like that anymore.
We're going to break into the CIA and find out who's trying to kill us.
We're getting the band back together.
I put a few things away, just in case.
I am excited.
What do you suppose the punishment is for what we're doing here?
Death.
Awesome. I thought it might be nice to have a bit of girl time together.
You can't touch me.
Of course we can.
That's right, old man.
Old man? No respect. Old man, my...
Red.
It all started when I met a woman on the train.
I'm Elise.
I'm Frank.
That's a terrible name.
It's the only one I've got.
Maybe we can find you another.
Okay. I have a strange feeling that Those two people over there are watching us.
I think you're right.
Really?
No.
Frank! Come with me.
Elise Ward and husband.
You're ravenous.
Do you mean ravishing?
I do.
All right, grab him.
Hello? I need help. There are two men trying to break down the door.
What kind of problem do you have with the door, sir?
No. There are two men with guns trying to break in. I gotta go!
Why is everyone trying to kill me?
Alexander Pierce stole big money from a gangster. They think you are him.
The man's a criminal wanted in 14 countries.
It's gone too far. You were part of a plan.
This is exactly why she chose him. To distract us.
I am sorry I got you involved in all this.
Why are you involved?
We know he will be with us. You wish to report a murder.
Attempted murder.
That's not so serious.
Not when you downgrade it from murder. But when you upgrade it from room service, it's quite serious. I don't regret it, kissing you.